First of all, take a look at this clip.
That is Atlantis. And somehow, I've arrived before its final day.
The city is far larger than any legend ever described.
Pretty crazy, right? Channels making AI vlogs about historical places, lost civilizations, and major historical events are blowing up right now. Look at this channel. With just 3 long videos, it gained over 3 million views and over 260K subscribers. Because viewers aren't just watching a history lesson, they're experiencing history. They're walking through lost cities, exploring forgotten empires, and witnessing events that nobody alive today has ever seen. Whether you want to target audiences in the USA, India, Europe, or anywhere else, all you have to do is choose their history and famous events. And while this might sound complicated, it's actually one of the easiest AI content formats I've ever created. Let me show you the exact workflow. Step 1. Find famous topic. The first step is choosing a famous historical topic, something people already know, something people are curious about. For example, the Titanic, the Library of Alexandria. To find ideas, simply open ChatGPT and type, "Give me some famous historical events, places, or civilizations of India or any country that no longer exist." Within seconds, you'll get dozens of ideas. For this example, I'm going to choose Atlantis because it's one of the most famous lost civilizations in history, and it's perfect for an AI Explorer video. Step 2. Create your Explorer character. Now we need the face of our vlog. Instead of filming ourselves, we're going to create a consistent AI Explorer. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or any image generator you like. I'm using ChatGPT. Simply enter this prompt. Generate a realistic male explorer travel blogger character reference sheet with front, side, back, and 3/4 views on a white background. A few moments later, you'll get a complete character sheet. You can even use your own self as a charter. Just click some different angles pictures as a reference so you can vlog without actually traveling. This character becomes your host, the person viewers will follow throughout every adventure. And because you'll use the same character in every video, your channel starts building a recognizable identity. Step 3. Generate the entire documentary. Now comes the easiest part. Most people think they need to write a script, create a storyboard, plan camera angles, create scene descriptions, but we're going to automate it all. I use a custom mega prompt. Inside the prompt, I only enter the topic, the video length, and that's it. For example, topic, Atlantis. Video length, 5 minutes. After that, ChatGPT generates everything automatically. It creates environment image prompts, video prompts, character actions, camera movements, dialogue, ambient sounds, and a complete scene-by-scene documentary structure. Basically, ChatGPT becomes your writer, director, and storyboard artist at the same time. Step 4. Create the environments. Now let's create the visuals. For every scene generated by ChatGPT, you'll receive an environment image prompt. Copy the image prompt from scene 1. Then go to Google Flow. Create a new image. Select Omni Flash Pro or any image model you prefer. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now click Generate. A few moments later, you'll have a beautiful cinematic environment image. Repeat the same process for every scene. Step 5. Turn the images into videos. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Inside Google Flow, create a video. Use Omni Flash Model and 8 seconds. Upload your environment image. Upload your Explorer character reference. Then copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Flow. Now click Generate. A few moments later, you'll have a fully animated scene. Your Explorer can now walk through Atlantis, explore ancient temples, look around markets, observe historical events, and react naturally to the environment. Repeat this process for every scene. Now, combine all the scenes. Now place all scenes on a timeline, arrange them in order, add subtitles, and that's it. No complicated editing, just AI-powered storytelling. Final result. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created an AI historical vlog that looks like a real documentary. Now check out this final 1-minute video created using this exact workflow.
That is Atlantis. And somehow, I've arrived before its final day.
The city is far larger than any legend ever described. Every stone here feels impossibly advanced for its time. The streets are alive with trade, science, and culture. This place rivals the greatest cities in human history. Some believe these structures powered the entire civilization. Religion and technology seem deeply connected here. These symbols may tell the story of Atlantis itself. The waterways function like highways across the city. This was once the heart of Atlantean power.
Pretty crazy, right? And the best part is that this process works for almost any historical topic. If you're looking for a unique AI channel idea that stands out from generic AI content, this is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.